TD Online Banking or the TD mobile app, which is more secure? Let's compare. First, both use strong encryption to protect data in transit and at rest. Authentication on desktop typically relies on a password plus optional two-factor codes. The mobile app adds device biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID and app pins. Two-factor authentication strengthens both platforms by requiring a second proof. Session handling differs. Web sessions can persist longer, increasing risk on shared devices. Mobile apps benefit from sandboxing and device-level protections built into phones. But a lost or compromised phone and unsecured Wi-Fi can expose your app access. Desktop risks include phishing sites and malware on the computer itself. Simple steps help. Enable two-factor authentication and use strong, unique passwords. Also keep your app and operating system updated and avoid banking on public Wi-Fi. Bottom line, both are secure when used properly. Enable 2FA, update apps and OS, and review device access regularly.